I've been cooking tacos wrong this whole time. Instead of cooking the beef first, we're going to smash it straight onto the tortilla. So this is quite a straightforward recipe. Start again. So this is quite a straightforward recipe and it comes together very quickly. So it's important that we get all our garnishes ready first before we actually start the cooking. So that'll include a nice little sauce we're going to make and of course any vegetables we're going to add into the tacos. So we'll start with our sauce and we're going to place 100 grams of mayonnaise into a bowl. And then we'll place in around 35 grams of tomato ketchup, followed by 15 grams of American yellow mustard. And then we'll add in around half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Splash of pickle liquid. This is up to you how tangy you want it, so start with a little bit, you can always add more. Season with a pinch of salt and a grind of black pepper and then mix everything together until thoroughly combined. You can taste it at this point and then you can adjust the vinegar or the pickling liquid and salt and pepper to your own taste. And that is our sauce now done, so we'll place it into a squeezy bottle ready to serve later. So next we'll do our salad prep and I'm going to finely dice half of a medium onion and then I'm going to add a pinch of salt and mix it through. That's just going to help draw out the moisture and get rid of some of the harshness. Next I've got 3 gherkins and I'm going to finely dice them as well. And then I'll finely dice 2 tomatoes, but I'm going to remove the seeds first. Simply cut the seeds away and then dice up the flesh and then finally shred up some iceberg lettuce. So I've got 500 grams of beef mince. This is 12% fat. 12 to 20% fat is ideal for burger recipes or recipes like this. And we're simply going to place it into a bowl, add in 1 teaspoon of fine salt and around half a teaspoon of black pepper. We'll mix until it's thoroughly combined and then divide the mixture into 8 portions and roll into balls. So that is everything now ready. Our beef's ready, our garnishes are ready and we can start cooking. So place a large frying pan over a medium-high heat and then we'll open our pack of tortillas ready. 8 mini tortillas is what you need. Add a small drizzle of oil into the pan and then place in one of the pieces of beef. We'll then add a tortilla straight on top of that and then using a sturdy spatula press it down to smash out that beef. We'll then cook that for 2 to 3 minutes until the beef is nicely browned. Sprinkle with a little cheddar cheese and cook for a further 1 minute before removing from the pan. And then you can finish them with some of the onions, gherkins, tomatoes and lettuce before placing them into a holder and finishing with that delicious sauce. So there you go, super easy smashed beef tacos. Really quick and easy to make. Let's see how they taste. Just like a burger. Absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy this one. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Delicious but messy.